ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಗ್ರೇ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಕಮಪಿ ಚರಣಂ ಜಾನುನೈಕೇನ ತಿಷ್ಠನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಪಾರ್ಥಂ ಪ್ರಣಯರಸಜುಷಾ ಚಕ್ಷುಷಾ ವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣಃ ಸವ್ಯೇ ತೋತ್ರಂ ಕರಸರಸಿಜೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಂ ಆಬಿಭ್ರಾಣೋ ರಥಮಧಿವಸನ್ ಪಾತು ನಃ ಸೂತವೇಷಃ. ಓಂ ಪ್ರಪನ್ನಪಾರಿಜಾತಾಯ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರವೇತ್ರೈಕಪಾಣಯೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಗೀತಾಮೃತದುಹೇ ನಮಃ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ. Arjuna expresses his grief and distress in the following verses. Nimittani cha pashyami viparitani keshava na cha shreyonu pashyami hatva svajanamahave. Arjuna addresses Bhagavan as Keshava, the one who slayed a Rakshasa named Keshin. The word Keshava also refers to Trimurti Swarupam, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. He tells Bhagavan that he sees many bad omens and nothing good coming out of this war. Ahave, in this war, Swajanam Hatva, after killing all my relatives, Shreyaha Nacha Anupashyami, I do not see any good happening. Arjuna's grief or shoka expresses itself in many of his body languages as Vishada. Such intense grief can cloud one's ability to discriminate. All of us face such situations in our lives. Vedavyasacharya presents this with Arjuna as an example. Arjuna had decided to fight the war. Now in the midst of the battlefield, he feels it is wrong to fight against his own relatives. This is delusion. Arjuna was deluded. To take dharma as adharma and vice versa is called delusion, moha or aviveka. Before taking up any important task, one should introspect all the aspects of the task well. Once decided, one should not look back. Arjuna kept on lamenting while Bhagavan Shri Krishna silently listens to him. We learned this important lesson from Bhagavan Shri Krishna. An emotionally triggered person will pour out feelings and say words that may make no sense. A good listener will not interrupt in between and correct them. A therapist actually gets paid for being a good listener. He listens with patience and helps the grieved persons to express their grief completely. Arjuna continues further. Nakankshe vijayam Krishna nacharajyam sukhani cha kinno rajyena govinda kim bhogair jivitena va. O Krishna, Vijayam na kankshe. I have no desire for victory. Nacha rajyam sukhani kankshe. Nor do I desire kingdom or pleasures. Arjuna addressed Bhagavan as Govinda. Govinda has several meanings. One meaning is the one who is known by the Vedas. The other being one who knows karma phala of the jivas. Arjuna loses interest in fighting the war. He does not want his relatives to die and therefore says he has no desire for victory, kingdom or worldly pleasures. Arjuna starts talking Dharma Shastra and justifies his thoughts. This is an important observation on human behavior by Adi Shankaracharya. When situations are conducive and favorable, a person can carry out his duties properly. But at times of crisis, grief overpowers him and clouds his ability to discriminate. Thus, one fails to do his duties properly. Not only that, he tries to do duties of others in which he has no knowledge or experience. This leads to confusion in the society and suffering becomes rampant. Whatever happens, dharmanushtanam should never be compromised is the teaching we derive from these shlokas. Arjuna is in a state of despair at this point. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om. Om Prapanna Parijataya Totravetraikapanaya Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha. Om